Welcome to another exciting unboxing video from Bullion Exchanges. Today, we're taking a journey through time, culture, and imagination as we explore some truly unique silver coins. First up, we have the 2022 Palau 2 ounces silver Daydreamer future antiqued coin. This coin is not just a piece of precious metal, it's a work of art. The coin's design is a testament to the power of dreams and the limitless potential of the future. The intricate details, from the Daydreamer's thoughtful expression to the futuristic cityscape, are a testament to the craftsmanship of the mint. This coin is a tangible representation of our hopes and dreams for the future. Next, we have the 2023 Cook Islands 2 ounces and 5 ounces silver Temple of Heaven coins. These coins are a tribute to the Temple of Heaven, an iconic landmark in Beijing, China. The coin's design captures the grandeur and beauty of the temple, with its unique circular shape and intricate architectural details. The antique finish enhances the design, giving the coins a timeless appeal. These coins are not just a tribute to a historical landmark, they're a celebration of cultural heritage and architectural brilliance. Moving on, we have the 2023 Cook Islands 2 ounces proof silver Silverland the Wave coin. This coin is a celebration of nature's power and beauty. The design features a towering wave, captured in the moment just before it crashes. The coin's proof finish enhances the design, making the wave seem almost lifelike. This coin is a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the beauty that can be found in its most dramatic moments. Next, we have the 2022 Cook Islands 1 ounces silver key to my heart coin. This unique key-shaped coin is a symbol of love and new beginnings. Struck with .999 fine silver, it features an intricate floral design thanks to the enhanced smart minting technology. The coin's antique finish adds a touch of vintage charm, making it a perfect gift for a loved one or a unique addition to your own collection. The obverse of this coin features the right-facing effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, surrounded by inscriptions. The coin's face value of $5 is backed by the government of the Cook Islands. With a limited mintage of only 2,500, this coin is as rare as it is beautiful. Finally, we have the 2023 Cook Islands 3 ounces silver Cyber Queen the Beginning coin. This coin is a journey into a futuristic world where technology and humanity intertwine. The design features the Cyber Queen, a symbol of power and innovation in this imagined future. The coin's high relief enhances the intricate details of the design, from the Cyber Queen's regal bearing to the complex circuitry that surrounds her. This coin is a celebration of the possibilities of the future and the role of technology in shaping our world. Each of these coins is a testament to the craftsmanship and creativity of their respective mints. They're not just pieces of precious metal, they're works of art, historical tributes, and symbols of our hopes for the future. If you're interested in adding any of these unique coins to your collection, visit Bullion Exchanges, your trusted precious metals dealer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting unboxings and precious metals insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these coins. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.